Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. So today's video is a Temu haul. I've been promising a little kind of organizational video, so that's what we're doing today. First, let me give you the code for this video, and then I'm going to tell you about some other really cool things about Temu. But first, I'm going to put up on the screen somewhere my code. It is AFM 94305. I hope I'm remembering that correctly. Yeah, so you just put that up in the search bar, type it in, click search. You'll get a $100 coupon bundle if you are a new app user. You may get something if you're not a new app user. I know I've used a couple other people's codes. I used Cheryl for Pieces code and got like 3 free items or 4 free items, but I had to spend some money. So you never know, right? So it's worth trying. So check that out. Don't forget to use that code AFM 94305 for a $100 coupon bundle. And you just put that in your search bar in the Temu app and hopefully get yourself some coupons. All right, let's just get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the Temu gift calendar. I think that's what they call it. I play it every once in a while, but I only play it when I know I'm going to spend some money on Temu, because you have to spend money to get the free gifts, okay? So if you go on Temu and type in QQ, it'll take you to the gift calendar. I've got several free items. I think it lets you pick 4 free items. One of the free items I'm going to show you right now was this cat tree, and hopefully I'll move out of the way a little bit. I'm going to put a little video up. It's Oscar on the cat tree. Now this cat tree, I think on Temu is about $60 or $70. So when you pick your gifts, make sure to pick something that's going to be worth it, okay? Don't pick like a pair of earrings for $2. Make sure you're picking items that are worth getting for free. So I got that little cat tree. It's actually, you can use it different ways. You can set it up 3 or 4 different ways. We decided to go with the shorter version of it. This is another gift that I got for free with that QQQ game. Oh, there's some directions in there. This is just a little lamp, like a little crystal kind of lamp. And so you can turn it on, and it does different colors, I believe. Let me put my glasses on because I can't see anything. Okay. Oh, wow. That's much better. I don't know if it does different colors, but I thought it was really nice. And it's actually like a vase. So you can put some florals down in there and then turn it on or whatever. So I thought that was just kind of nice. It'd be good in like a bedroom or a boudoir, or you know, your makeup room. But it's really, really cool. I really like the way it looked. And then it just has a USB end to it. I don't think I have anywhere to plug it in right now, or I will plug that in. So I have a plug in over here. So let's see what this thing does. All right, so there's on. Look how pretty it is, right? Let's see if this does anything. Okay, so it looks like it's just the 3 colors you normally get. Like there's the whitish kind of icy color. You get this like natural warm glow, and then like a more natural color. And then you can turn it up, or if you need to dim it, you can dim it. But you can put flowers in here or whatever. But anyways, I got this for free on the Temu QQQ calendar game. So I just want to show you guys that. And then I've got a couple other free gifts too, but I don't know if maybe they just haven't come in yet because they ship separately, and you know, you have to buy things to get things, if you know what I'm saying. So you kind of have to spend money to get towards the gifts. There's like 25 blocks or whatever, and the more money you spend, the faster you can get through it. But make sure that you pick the big high item ticket gifts, okay? That's my tip for that calendar game. Other thing I wanted to show you guys was, I've been doing my own coffees upstairs. I make a lot of brown sugar shaken espressos with the Nescafe coffee. Now, this cup was from Walmart, but I did a whole, I rearranged my coffee bar area, so I'm going to put up a video of that. I bought the bottles for my coffee syrups, and these bottles are magnificent, you guys. I want to make sure, don't forget, I always leave links for everything down below in the description box and in the comments section. So the bottles are amazing. I absolutely love them. I also got that little blender on Temu, which I linked last time. I'll try and link again. It was only like $2. And then I did get some plastic cups and lids so I could take drinks with me in the morning and not have my big cup with me. But I really like the way it looked. I did get the stand that everything was on. I'm not super happy with it, but it looks great. It's more organized. So I really do like it. But the storage thing that everything is on, it's the shelves are like a plastic. If you have a very retro kind of kitchen, it would fit perfectly. My kitchen leans more farmhousey, so it doesn't quite fit in there, but it still looks really cute, and everything looked really nice when it got organized. So I will make sure I link all of those down below. The next item I got was free. So I got this one free on that calendar thing too. It's regularly, it says it's only $3.77. So I kind of really screwed up in getting this, but I was trying to look for organizational items. And this is one of those egg organizers, and we eat a lot of eggs, okay? So you can see how many eggs you can put in here. You put them in, they roll down, and then you just keep pulling them out. So I'm going to stick this in my fridge later. The only thing I'm worried about with this is if it's going to tip. Like, I feel like I might put some kind of something on the bottom of this, like there's just 4 little feet, but I think I might put like a couple of little pads of something down here just so it, you know, it doesn't really move. But this is what it looks like. I guess regularly it's $3.77, but I got it for free. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yep, we're going to organize our eggs. And like I said, we eat a ton of eggs. And so yeah, I thought that would come in handy. All right, next up on the organization is some wig bags, hanging bags. I bought these many times. You guys know I wear wigs. This wig is Brexley and Vanilla Cupcake from Stacy's Story. I will link her website below. She kind of sells out pretty quick, you guys. So if you want any of her wigs, she has a show every other Thursday on Facebook and TikTok. So this is how I store all my wigs. I store them in a closet. And I get these bags. I love these bags, by the way. So you get 6 bags in here for $8.05. They come with these hangers, like so. And then here are the bags. So you can get these in so many different colors. This one happened to have one of each. So there's like a blue, there's a black, there's a purple, a couple different shades of pink, a white. So you get 6 bags like this. And these bags are really nice and long. So if you have longer wigs, and I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get in front of the camera. These bags are long. So if you have long wigs, they will fit. So how this works is you put this hanger up inside your wig cap, and then you're going to open this bag. You're going to put your wig on. Oops, I just closed it. Real smart. Okay, so you put your wig on here. You put it up inside of the bag. It comes out through the top here, and you hang it in your closet or wherever, and this keeps the dust and whatever else off of your wigs, and then you just hang them in your closet. And that is how I store every single one of my wigs. And I have several, okay? I'm just saying. So these come in super handy. If you're a wig wearer, you get 6 for $8.05. I don't think that's a bad investment when you put some money into wigs. And if you wear wigs, you know they do become quite the investment. Some wigs run all the way up to $500. So, you know, I kind of stick in the 100-ish range on Chelsea Smith Cosmetics. That's where I get most of my wigs from. But I still want to maintain my investment because I know sometimes I'll buy 3-4 wigs at a time and I'm not going to wear them right away. So I like to hang them up, make sure they're staying clean and dust free. So highly recommend those bags. This next item, let me see if I wrote down a price. I don't know if I wrote a price down, so I might have gotten it for free. But either way, I'll figure out what the price for it was and I'll put it up on the screen. It's a utensil holder. Currently, I have an old vintage crock that I keep all my utensils in, but look at the size of this. So I'll make sure I put the price on the screen. It comes like this. It's wooden. I love this. This is going to fit in so good with my kitchen. So this is what it looks like. It says utensils on the front, and then you have all this room here. This would be really cute to sit just a little rolling pin in right there. Honestly, this would be cute even to just put some greenery in. But I absolutely love it. It has some holes on the bottom, which is kind of nice. So I think it's really cute. I'm going to put it in my kitchen. This feels, it's not a decal, is what, decal? Why did I say it like that? Decal? It's not a decal, so it's probably not going to come off, which is good. So yeah, I thought this was really kind of nice. It's going to look nice in my kitchen. It looks like distressed. It's well made. So yeah, I don't hate it. So there we go. I'll make sure I link that down below as well. And it's weird that I didn't put a price on here, which makes me think that maybe I got it for free. It was probably one of the items on my calendar because I was trying to pick some gifts off of the QQQ calendar game so that I could show you guys. So highly recommend that too. It's a really nice piece. Okay, next up, I think I paid for this. I thought I wrote it down. It was like the $17, $18 range. Yeah, it was $17.97, but this thing is so cool. When we go away or go and visit Brian's mom and dad, I like to have a big case like this. It holds all my makeup or jewelry. And this one is extra special, okay? They had this in a couple different sizes and a couple different colors. Again, it was like 18 bucks. Well worth 18. Look at this. Look at this case. There's a place for a strap, which there might be a strap in here. I haven't even opened this yet. So it's probably got a strap in here. The back, I don't know why this is here. I guess you can slip something in here, maybe a magazine or something if you're traveling. But wait till you see the inside of this, you guys. You're gonna die, okay? I'll tell you, I'll get to the good part in a minute. So this right up here, this area right here, a mirror goes here. A light up mirror. And it actually has Velcro on the back for you to Velcro it in there. And sorry if I'm blinding you. It's got a cover on it, and this thing lights up. So if you're sitting somewhere, it lights up. Love that, okay? Absolutely love that function of it. I love that. So yeah, it just sits right in here. There's like a couple more straps in there to strap this down, but it actually Velcros as well. This is so good, you guys. And then on the inside, there's places for all of your brushes. A little, you can take them out if you want. Here's the strap. Pink strap, and then a way to charge your mirror because it's rechargeable. And then you have all of this space right here for makeup, for hair ties, for all kinds of things. So it actually will sit up if you put this. So you put these right in here, these little straps, whatever you want to call them. So if you're sitting somewhere, it will stay up. Well, not really stay up, but you know, it won't flop all the way over. And I can't see because it's dark over your way. So let me go over here. Get this in here. I just thought this would be so handy. You know what I mean? That way it won't flop all the way back. So when you put your mirror in here. And if you want to take the mirror out, there's a little stand on the back of this. So you can sit it on a table if you wanted to. So yeah, really cool. I love this. And that mirror just sticks right on there with the Velcro. So I absolutely love this. I will definitely be putting my makeup in this when we travel. It's got the strap. You just you know, do the mirror if it needs recharged. The mirror will stay in there really, really nicely. So for $18, if you do some traveling in the summer, or, you know, or whenever, I guess. But it's summer, and I know a lot of people are out traveling. And there you go. I love this. For $18, to have that mirror that lights up too, can't miss out on this. Can't miss out on this. 100% recommend this for some organizational travel needs for sure. Okay, kind of off the organizational topic for a moment, but I bought this. I'll put the price up on the screen. But I always love to have these little cases of screwdriver sets. I tend to go through them a lot because somebody who shall remain nameless, Brian, upstairs, will take them and usually use them. But this is a screwdriver set. The last tools you'll ever need, it says. And I like the smaller case ones because you can put them anywhere. You can put them in a drawer. You can leave them in your car if you think you might need one in your car. So here's what it looks like. Like I said, it's tiny. You know, you can hang it in your garage. It's double-sided, so you open this side and all of these these types of things are in here, and they came out. So hold on, let me put them back where they belong. They give you a little suction cup to hang it. So that's kind of cool. But there's like tweezers in here. There's all kinds of things. All kinds of things in here. So I'll try and hold it up like that. Yeah, but yeah, they give you the little sticky if you want to hang it up. And then they give you this little SIM key too. So that's kind of interesting. I didn't even know that was in there. There's all kinds of different things in there. And then on this side is where you find all of your other, you know, the part that goes, I'm not good with terms. Now, I will say there's a lot in here. Now, they're not for very big, they are not for very big screws, if you know what I'm saying. It says demagnetizer on it. Okay. And then it has these little thingies. Don't know what those are. I guess we'll have to figure that out. But yeah, there's all kind of stuff in here. And there's that part. You get a whole bunch. 98 precision screwdriver accessories. There's one handle, one flexible extension shaft, one extension bar, tweezers, plastic pry tools. That's what these are. These are the pry tools. A magnetized demagnetizer. That's kind of a oxymoron, isn't it? One suction cup, 6 opening picks, one bit holder for power screwdriver. So that's all that's in here. So always need a nice little kit. I almost said cute. I mean, I guess it's cute, right? But always need one of these. So love to see it. I'm glad I opened that up. But again, I will put the price on the screen for that because I didn't write it down. Okay, you guys, one last item. I wanted to show you these so I could put them out. I feel like I saw Jody over at Jody's Cozy Cottage get something similar. These are flags. Did I write the price down? Probably not. I'll write it on the screen, you guys, because I think these came in like a bigger package than I opened it. So these are flags for outside because, you know, we're 250 years of America. So I wanted to get some flags for outside. Now, these are yard stakes. So they come with these. And then you get, you know, the stake bottoms that you put into the ground. They are solar, okay? They are solar. And this is what they look like. Now, these are all connected, so you have to make like a row of flags. So I'm going to put them outside, probably along our walkway. But this is what they look like. They light up through here, and then there's a star at the top that lights up as well. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. Let me see if I can turn them on or not. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. America, America, God shed his grace on thee. Oh, my gosh, I love these. I love these. I'm sorry, but I do. I'm not even sorry. I'm not even sorry. Look at these. These are fabulous. This is like one of my best things ever. There, I covered it. It says, I was trying to see, it says when it's charging or not, but I think that they're not much charge to these, so I'm definitely going to put them outside. Oh my gosh, I love these. I can't wait to put them outside. Okay. Oh, there's different modes. Look, they flash even. Stop it. Hold on, let me shut this light off over here so we can, well, I got hair in my mouth. Can you see them better now? And now? Ooh, look, they got the flashy mode. There's this mode, that mode. Ooh, I like this one. They like sparkle. Love that. Oh, I love that. This one. And then you just have the stationary one. I love these, you guys. I love these. I like the when they sparkle. That's my favorite. Or the stationary. Okay, I'm going to shut these off because I think there's like a little thing on the back here and it looks like there's an on-off switch. So that's kind of cool. All right, anyway, there is that. Okay, I love those. Don't forget, all of the links for this stuff will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to use my code AFM94305 for a $100 coupon bundle on Temu. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!